This is the Days I Channeling and a reading for the 13th of December. The letters we have today: V, Z, Q, K, I, U, E, H, A, P, W, C, and X. So Venezuela. The name Lauren. Ace Ventura. And with this, I'm getting Ace Ventura, which was the a law official, a county official, Friel last name, and last name Ace Ventura are both county officials. I posted a couple days ago. But I see Ace Ventura, pet detective as well, and police, cop, and CIA. The wheel will make you happy. Karma is playing out, 10-10. I pulled up the shades, bright future ahead. Horizon, vanishing clouds. Cufflinks and handcuffs, keeping you safe out of harm's way. Ahimsa. Private investigator, because they watch you like a hawk, I watch them like a hawk. Cowie and Baby, these are nicknames actually of my girls' loveys, but I heard them, and as well as Little Cow. Paper trail, I was getting continued channeled messages from the Bob Ross Oracle with the trail I was referring to, walkie-talkie and AV radio. What I'm getting with this is that there's a trail in Folsom, in Old Folsom, that parallels the river, and that there is conversations going on these walks amongst certain individuals in this group. I'm picking up specifically the Western states, handful that's involved. So AV radio, harp, violin. Park, paying people at the park, tracking you. So on the full moon in Gemini, Taurus, and sidereal, the last full moon, I said that there would be a full release. Well, from my energy, I have rest my case, and it's in the authorities' hands now. I am well aware of the continued stalking. The cold is exposed, hide and seek is over, ready or not, here I come. I see you. This has double meaning, critical. I see critical condition. It's a critical time. Can't keep up facade or appearance. They had an appointment with their lawyer and received news. They have to give it back. Unhappy people. Wise guy was never wise. Captain Hook, pirate, killer couple caught. Now they're on their hook, their own hook. Fish fry. I see EpiPen and has cancer. Quit work. Want you to keep quiet. All right, so we'll leave it there for now. And let's draw from Pulp Tarot a couple of cards. The King of Swords energy. I'm getting a good official. Very positive energy from this mature white male. Most likely will come forward. He's wearing a butterfly pin, so he himself has gone through a transformation. I heard EpiPen again, so there's channeled message here, because at this time justice is still in reverse. So we need this to correct this. All right. The 13th number here was the wheel, numerical oracle 10X. So the time is now, and we'll draw from Bob Ross. The ocean, vanishing clouds. whole lot of throat chakra here, 5th chakra. So using your voice and your will to speak the truth, to come forward like this wave is, and let the chips fall where they may, just like a wave crashes on the sand. But there's a build of energy, and then the old cabin. All right, so there's been a cabin involved, one in Tahoe, one in Idaho. And here, the word old, there's an old cabin here. It has a dark door, a black door. I'm getting things hidden in this cabin, in the woods. Dark secrets. We'll leave it there for now. Namaste.